Okay, everybody, so what I'm doing in this video is just showing you guys how I maintain my hair while I have it in a sew-in, but I also have leave out at the top. What you see me doing here obviously is wetting my hair. I wet the weave, I wet my real hair. I also wet up under the tracks where my net is. I am shampooing with Shea Moisture raw shea butter, and I've put it in a bottle and diluted it with water. Okay, so that's what you see me applying at my scalp. And then I'm scrubbing, scrubbing, scrubbing. I have a net, so I have to kind of work a little bit harder, maybe a little bit more rough than normal. Okay, I also apply it to my real hair, so that's what you see me doing. Rinsing it out. I only shampoo one time. I don't find that I need to shampoo more than once. Not while I'm in a sew-in. I'm just shampoo one time. So I'm just rinsing that out, rinsing it out. I'm pressing the nozzle up against my net so I can feel the water up against my scalp. I want to make sure I'm getting that shampoo out. Here I'm just squeezing out the excess water, and I'm about to go in with the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. I put the mask on the length of the hair. I put it on my real hair, and then I put the diluted version, which is in a bottle, on my scalp, the same way I did the shampoo. And that's what you see me doing here. I repurposed that bottle. I didn't like the conditioner that was in there, so I used it for something else. You know how that goes. So now I'm just pinning that up, getting ready to go to the other side. And I'm going to repeat the same steps. Rinse my hair thoroughly. Make sure I'm pressing that nozzle up against my scalp so the water gets up under that net onto my scalp. Shampooing with the shea butter retention shampoo, diluted with water. What you see me doing here. Scrubbing it in, scrubbing it in. I only do it one time. Once is more than enough. And here I'm rinsing it out. And then after I finish rinsing it out, I'm going in with the conditioner that I've diluted. But I put the undiluted, the regular version, on the length of my hair and on my real hair. So the only thing that's diluted is whatever I'm applying to my scalp. And you see me applying it here. I'm letting it run down. I'm pulling it down. Again, this is the conditioner. And then pin it up, letting it sit for about 30 minutes under a plastic cap. Too cheap to go and buy some more plastic shower caps or whatever they're called. I'm too cheap for it. We have more of these than enough, so we need to just use these. Get rid of these. So here, I've let it sit for 30 minutes, and now I'm just rinsing it out with lukewarm water. With lukewarm water here, I'm making sure I'm getting it at my scalp. You can see, you can kind of see my new growth here. But I'm rinsing my real hair off. I'm rinsing the extensions off. I'm pressing the nozzle into my net so that the water is going inside of my sew-in. Make sure that you get all the product out. You don't want to leave any product sitting in your sew-in. Any water, any product. You want to make sure that that's running clear. So you can see the curl pattern here. Much different curl pattern from the original. Much different curl pattern. This is much more easy for me to maintain and style and do something with. So I'm just wringing out the water here. All right. And now I'm getting ready to basically set my hair. That's the curl pattern over there in the little clip of how it looks after it's been relaxed and after I've washed it. So what you see me doing in the main frame, I'm oiling my scalp with an oil mixture. Okay. I practice the LCO method, so the liquid was the water. My cream is the Cantu Shea Butter Curl Activating Cream, and then my oil is olive oil. And this is how I prepare my hair to style it, which you'll see in my next video, me styling my leave out. So I don't blow dry my hair anymore. I just stretch it with chunky twists. So that's what you see me doing here. Again, liquid cream oil. And then I detangle, put it in a chunky twist, let it dry. Okay. What you'll see in the next clip, what I'm getting ready to do is basically oil my scalp under my sew-in. I use the Dr. Bronner Brothers Jamaican Black Castor Oil Spray. I prefer oil spray because I'm able to spray it directly onto my hair, as you see me doing. I go around my edges and then I go inside the sew-in. So I pull down a row of tracks and then I spray. Then I pull down another row and then I spray. Then I pull down another row and then I spray. And then I just rub it in. Rub it in. So that's what I do on wash days when I wash my sew-ins. And I do this about every 2 to 3 weeks. The longest I've gone without doing this is probably 4 weeks because I never ended up untwisting my hair because I had just had my son, so I wasn't going anywhere doing anything. And I'm just rubbing that in, and that's it. This is what I do.